Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Samarthika and it means a lot to me if you spare a second and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notification. So this is the look for today. So this is a sneak peek quick winter makeup look which you can carry every day if you are a college going girl or if you are office going girl or anyone or like you can carry this makeup look every day, especially in winters. So without talking a lot, let's get into the video. Today we will start our makeup with a moisturizer because especially in winters our skin is not in our favor and moisturization is very necessary even if you have oily skin. So I am using this. This is Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. It's one of the most affordable and light moisturizer. I highly recommend this to oily skin and dry skin and any sensitive or natural skin. Be aware before using it because it will make your skin dry. It is especially made for the oily skin type. Rub the moisturizer in your palm so that the all particles of the moisturizer get charged and works really well for your skin. Once I am done with the moisturizer, moving to the primer part, I am using Blue Heaven primer. I have applied the primer properly on my skin. Now coming to the foundation, I am using Blue Heaven foundation and it's amazing for like winters because it contains moisturizer too and SPF also. With a beauty blender, I am going to blend this foundation. So I am done with my foundation part also. Now I am coming to the concealer and I am using a concealer palette by Kiss Beauty. Blend it with a beauty blender. For setting the concealer, we need to apply a loose powder. So I am using Lakme Rose powder. Let my concealer settle down. Coming to my eye makeup, so I am using this beauty palette for my eye makeup. So I am using two sets for my crease line and eyelids. So this pink shade I am going to apply on my eyelids and the brown shade I am going to apply on my crease line. I have applied the pink shade on the inner corners of my eyelid. Now I am going to take the brown shade and going to apply on my crease line and little bit on the outer corners of my eyelid. Blend them together. So this is the most important part of the eye makeup look. I'm not going to use any eyeliner. I'm not going to draw any harsh line on my eyelids. What I'm going to do is taking this black shade as my eyeliner and going to apply a very light winged eyeliner with the help of this brush. So that's how my eye makeup look like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a mascara. So I'm done with my eye makeup. The same thing I'm going to do on my this eye, and I'll be right back to you guys. So I'm done with my whole eye makeup. Now it's time to dust off this powder. Now it's time to dust off these powder from my face, and you can see I'm looking. So as you can see, I'm done with everything. Now coming to my blush. Although I'm not a blush person, I don't like applying too much blush. And I'm a highlighter person, so I like applying highlighter, but in winters it's okay to have extra blush or applying extra blush. Again, I'm using the same palette. Here the blush is also, so here's the blush. I'm using a peachy color for, I'm using a peachy blush for a natural blush on my face. Take it and dust it off, then apply on your face, on the apples of your cheeks. Always in the upward motion. Little bit on my nose. So I'm done with the whole makeup. I'm not using highlighter because I don't think you need to apply highlighter on daily basis, and it's all about everyday winter makeup look. So I don't think that you need any highlighter right now. So it's time for my lips. So in winter I prefer juicy glossy lips more than those matte finish kind of a lip or any matte lipstick. So I'm going to use baby lip. You can take any baby lip which is available to you. I am using Lakme Lip Love. It's like long lasting baby lip, and it contains color, so it's enough, like, and it smells very nice. So this is something what I'm going to apply on my lips for a juicy glossy lips. I think it works. It seems amazing. So as you can see, I'm done with my whole makeup right now. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. And when you start carrying this winter makeup look, so let me know in the comment section below that how much you like the video. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.